Hello, in this video I'll show you how you can pair your Motorola Escape headphones with your MacBook. So first of all, you have to find this power button. It's located just right here, and you have to just click and hold this button. As you can see, after a few seconds it will start blinking blue and red. So we are in the pairing mode, so we have to just go to the Bluetooth settings, open it, and of course from the nearby devices list you have to select your Motorola Escape 220 headphones. Click on the connect button, and as you can see, after a few seconds we will be connected. Just be patient. If it is not working for some reason, I can recommend you to simply power off the Bluetooth on your MacBook and then power on back. Try to select the Motorola Escape headphones one more time. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.